Asaw na ita, hukiras yung merkado lama, molo kasina tratado testimonio 20 de mayo de 2002. Asaw na continuamos en 2004. Asaw na hemos continua en 2005. Y asaw na hemos hoy continua.
Hoy continua.
Y de factos. Sira koko na lang sila ne. Sira koko. Ato di ang gata. Ito lali ka mo nagkuliah ko na media line, linya clara. Acordo continente. Acordo plataforma continente. Nebe. Governo Austrália o governo Indonésia assim em 1972. Acordo nesse ralo, estava 1963 a 1968. Sira detecta de uma mina poço bar, gás poço bar aqui de Timor. Então, Sira obriga a Indonésia a se belecar hari e Sira lalai fronteira para a plataforma continente. Razão grande, estamos se detecta de uma campo Grita Sunrise, Sira detecta de uma campo Paiaunda, nomos campo terceiro. Milhão nem roubado, horizonte avião fulo. Nível 5 mas oh, e veterano Sira. E que luta na Sira. Mr. Ambassador, you have to understand, we asking for our rights. We didn't ask you for your charity. This is something we need to decide it. The maritime boundary based on the very line. That's what we want. Mr. Ambassador, the protest today is not just start today. It's been started since 20 May 2002. As you remember, your former Prime Minister with our former Prime Minister decided to agree the Treaty of Timor Sea Treaty. In that time, we have no condition. We have no money. Our first Prime Minister decided, because we don't want it to be debt, taking a loan from World Bank and in an institution. That's why we agreed to sign that treaty. But that doesn't mean we sell our sovereignty. That doesn't mean we don't want it to decide the maritime boundary. To my people of our region, people of Australia, all of the activists around the world, we all knew that you played the game. You played the game to push our country to fail over. That's not going to happen today. That's never happened today. We stand together with our government, with our veterans, with our people, everyone asking for the rights